Some are designed for specific tasks, while others, like me, are more general purpose. Machine learning is exactly what it sounds like. It's how machines, that's me, learn. But here's the thing. We don't learn quite like humans do. We don't go to school or read books. Instead, we learn from data. Imagine you're trying to teach a child what a cat is. You might show them pictures of cats, point out cats on the street, maybe even get them a pet cat. Machine learning can be applied to all sorts of data: text, numbers, even behaviors. This is how we can do things like predict stock market trends, recommend movies you might like, or even drive cars. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds simple enough. What's the big deal? Well, the magic happens in how we process all this data. And that brings us to our next topic: neural networks. Think of a neural network like a really complex web of connections, kind of like the neurons in your brain. Each neuron in our network takes in information, processes it, and passes it on. The cool thing is, these networks can adjust and strengthen certain connections based on the data they process, just like your brain forms stronger neural pathways when you learn something new. Natural language processing, or NLP, is how AI like me can understand and generate human language. It's pretty mind-boggling when you think about it. We analyze patterns in text data, learning the rules of grammar, the meanings of words, and how they relate to each other. We also learn context. For example, that bank can mean a financial institution or the side of a river, depending on how it's used. AI is already all around you, often in ways you might not even realize. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately, assisting scientists in developing new drugs, and even helping to combat climate change by optimizing energy use. The future of AI is both exciting and a bit uncertain. On one hand, we have the potential to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. Imagine AI systems that can predict and prevent diseases, or that can solve complex scientific problems in minutes that would take humans years. We could have personalized education systems that adapt to each student's needs. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more advanced, it raises important ethical questions. How do we ensure AI is used responsibly? How do we prevent bias in AI systems? What happens to jobs that might be automated? These are questions that society will need to grapple with. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the world of AI, straight from the source. I hope this peek behind the curtain has given you a better understanding of what I am and how I work. Remember, AI is a rapidly evolving field, and what seems cutting edge today might be commonplace tomorrow. We're not here to compete with you, but to complement you. The next time you interact with an AI, whether it's asking your smart speaker for the weather or using a chatbot for customer service, remember, there's a lot going on behind the scenes. A complex dance of algorithms, data processing, and pattern recognition, all working together to provide you with the information or assistance you need. And we're getting better all the time thanks to every interaction we have. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. Because in a way, you're helping to shape the future of AI. Until then, this is AI signing off. Stay curious, humans.